if you decide to start an passive business in USA, which keeps on generating the passive income for you, so you need to understand certain points. This particular terminology called passive income is a very vast field. It's a very vast industry. You first need to understand what the passive income really means. Is it really passive? And what are the resources, or what are the things which you need to bring on the table to generate that passive income? So first and the foremost, you need to understand what is the passive income. Passive income, the general concept in today's market is being perceived in a way that the passive income is something where you don't have to work, you don't have to invest, or you don't have to have any kind of a skills, or there is something which keeps on the money keeps on coming in on the regular basis. We need to make it understand very clear. There are tens of possible ways where you can have a consistent flow of incoming money on a regular basis, on a daily, weekly, or a monthly basis. But you need to generate, or you need to build up that whole structure. I call it as a whole funnel, which actively you need to work on, you need to get engaged into, so that you can put it into the automation, and then in future it keeps generating a passive income for you. So you need to understand what kind of a businesses you want to do. It can be e-commerce business, it can be stocks, funds, it can be cryptocurrencies, it can be digital currencies, it can be digital entrepreneurship, it can be even a traditional traditional business, a traditional retail business, which you put an employees on, and you can generate the whole passive income from that business as well. So passive businesses can be literally anything, which varies from person to person and their preferences and priorities. But first thing which you need to determine, what exactly are the kind of businesses are you looking at. The second and the most important thing is, you need to determine what are you putting on the table, what are you bringing on the table in the transaction, in the deal. Which means it can be your time, it can be your money, it can be your skills or service. So you need to spend a sufficient amount of time, skill, and money in order to create an asset which keeps on generating the passive income and passive cash flow for you. So take your decisions smartly, understand your assets and your strengths, and then build a business structure which generates a back-to-back, month-on-month revenue and a cash flow streams for you. Thank you. Have a good one.